Hello, I'm Chef Isabella with Mansfield ISD, and for this month's Try Something New, we're going to be sampling gnocchi. So here we have some boiling water to which I've added some salt, and now I'm adding the gnocchi, which can be found on the dry pasta aisle at your grocery store, giving it a quick stir. This takes about 2 minutes to cook from the time it comes back to boiling, and you'll know that it's done whenever you see the pasta floating, just giving it an additional stir here to make sure there's no pasta stuck to the bottom. So we'll go ahead and we'll turn the heat off. And now we're going to remove this to the sink where we'll drain it in a colander. Once you've drained it in the colander, you can rinse the pasta with some cool water and toss it in a little bit of olive oil to prevent the gnocchi from sticking to itself. Alright, back at the stove, over medium heat, we're going to melt some butter. To the butter, we're going to add salt to taste. Here we have some dried parsley, but if you have fresh, by all means use it. And then some dried Italian seasonings, but you could use fresh herbs here as well. Then we're going to add some roasted garlic paste, which we made in our oven just by roasting garlic in some olive oil, and then pureeing. We're going to mix that until fragrant. You could also use fresh garlic here as well. Alright, we're adding our cooked gnocchi back to our butter. We'll go ahead and toss that so that the gnocchi is completely covered. And we're going to allow that to crisp and brown just a little bit, stirring occasionally until we see some good color on the gnocchi. Looks good. Alright, here's our completed product, and to this you could add some Parmesan cheese or some marinara sauce. We hope to see you for this month's Try Something New.